Hi friend, this is Kaustubh and today we are going to learn a new topic, and today's topic is regarding to create a table view using a custom UI table view cell which contain more than one UI table view cell design or UI view on its own. So that's mean a XIV which contain more than UI table view cell design. Okay, so from there we are going to load the UI table view cell and going to display it on a UI table view. So you guys may think that why this kind of complex situation arise. Say example of there is a chat application. Whenever we receive some chat messages, so on that moment it left align, and when we send some message on that moment it is right align. Okay, so ultimately the content, the logo, the message, everything, every single thing is same on the both messages, but only difference is between one is left aligned, another one is right aligned. So without no more words, go straight to example that how we are going to achieve those kind of UI. So since I have taken the example of chat application, so I am going to use the name of chat, but it's actually not the chat applications. So I am going to use the chat name to demonstrate you guys so you can relate the thing easily. Okay, so first create a group. This is chat cell. So I'm going to create new file, Google Touch class UI table view cell, chat table view cell. Okay, and also going to create XIV. Next, let's create. Okay, so our chat table view cell is created. So first I'm going to design this particular cell. So here is the cell. I'm collecting a UI view. So here is the UI view. I'm giving static width height, leading top bottom. It's not the tutorial of any IB outlet or any design related topic, so I'm not concerned about the constraint anymore for this particular topic. So I'm more focused on the UI appearance sections, so I'm giving it a 6 on the align space. Okay, so here is our first cell, so just to duplicate it, I'm removing the leading space from here and giving it a trailing space of 6. Okay, so for this one I am giving a color of orange background color, and for this one giving a color of mint. Here is the color teal. Okay, fine. So this is a 0th index, this is the first index. Okay, so on the XIB, so now I am going to create a chat view controller. So UI view controller, chat view controller, not create, don't create XIV because we are going to use storyboard, so just create it. So here is our view controller. We are removing the all unwanted code from here. Okay, so now go to the main storyboard, and over here I am collecting a UI view controller from here. Okay, this is the chat view controller. Fine, this is the initial view controller when we are going to run this application. Okay, so we are going to create ultimately a table view. So first collect a table view from here and set the design ID outlet as 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, fine. So now on the chat view controller I am going to create a ID outlet at ID outlet with a table display table view bit set table display the data source equal to self extension chat view controller UI table view data source. Data source contain only two kind of method. One is number of row. So here is number of row. For the timing I am giving it a static 10. Okay. The second one is cell for row at index path. Before go to the coding of this particular cell for row at index path, just connecting the table outlet so that when I give it to run, so it doesn't cause any problem. So now the problem start. So first here is the code where cell equal to table view dq with identifier. What is the name of the cell? That is chat table view cell, right? So I am using the same identifier chat table view cell as chat table view cell. But the problem here, since we have not registered any view or any class with chat table view cell for this particular table display, or there is no prototype cell whose identifier is chat table view cell, so ultimately this assign a nil, because iOS didn't find any table view cell whose identifier is chat table view cell. So now the next checking is if cell equal to nil. On that moment, what it will do, if index path dot row %2 equal to 0, else. So what we are going to do, like for even row, I am going to load one single color cell, and for odd row I am going to load another different color cell. So let's write it down like this way: cell bundle dot main dot load nib name. So here is the nib name. So here is the nib name. Owner is cell, since this class is the owner of this particular cell. Now if you go to the definition, you can see that load nib name return a array which contain any, and that is also optional. So that's mean we need to provide question mark then index, okay, as chat table view cell. So what does it mean? That's mean it's load from the bundle the nib, okay, that is chat table view cell. So that's mean I will go to this chat table view cell, and over there it's returning an array of these two elements, okay. So if we load the 0th index, that's mean it loads this particular item. If it's load the first index, so that's mean it's loads this particular item, okay. So like this way it works. So from the 0th index we fetch the data and converted it to the chat table view cell, okay. Similar way we are going to do again, but this time with the first index. Done. So our job is done. So now the thing we need to do is self.selection style equal to none, return cell else UI table view cell style is default. This one is the default cell, okay, so that app didn't crash if the cell got nil, okay. So now I'm going to give it to run. Okay, so you guys can see our application is loaded, and a lot of NS layout constraint error happen, but ignore it for this tutorial. So just focus on the design part. So you guys can see that all the cell is being loaded, and for the even row the orange cell is getting loaded, and for the odd row all the tilt sign, mint sign I guess, is loaded, okay. So that way we can handle all the design for the chat applications. Like we are going to use a single XIB for a single table cell class, but we can design differently for different cell and keep them on the same single XIB, and can use it directly on the cell for row at index path, so that it can load different cell from the same XIB, okay. So it's a small tutorial for today, but very important. You guys keep on practicing so that your iOS knowledge keep on getting very strong. So that's all for today. If you guys like my content, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next video with a new tutorial. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.